Hello viewers, welcome to Neidhal Online. Today we are going to see 9 designs in regular and fancy dress materials, price ranging from 949 to 1299. All these products will be available in our website neidhal.com from 12:30 p.m. today. You can place your order directly from our website and we do free shipping all over India. Orders placed today will be shipped on 13th December and tracking details will be shared to your mail and SMS on 14th December. Please order accordingly. Viewers, kindly note there will be a slight variation in the color due to the lighting used for the videography. Hence, we request you to consider the picture posted in a website for reference. Let us see the first design. The first design is Bandhani dress materials. The top fabric is satin cotton with beautiful embroidery work done all over. All these are embroidery and all these are stitch patterns done. The front side of the top in white color. The base color is white. We have different combinations in that. So on the front side we have complete thread work done. The fabric is thin, so lining is needed. It is plain at the back. It is teamed with tie and dye. It's original tie and dye in dark violet color, and dupatta is also in violet with bandhani dyed on it. All these are original tie and dye works in mull cotton. With beautiful borders as well. You can see all these are tie and dye borders neatly done on all four sides. Beautiful combinations. We have 4 different combinations in this. The cost of the set is $949, free shipping all over India. It's white with violet combination. We'll quickly take a look at the other combinations. The complete set is in cotton. So this is the next shade. We have pink bottom and pink bandhani dupatta. And this is the bottom for this, and dupatta in mull cotton with tie and dyes, and tie and dyes are given as borders on all 4 sides. All these sets are priced at $949. Next we have a dark grey combination. You can buy these products directly from our website neidhal.com from 12:30 p.m. today. Next is with turquoise green combination. And this is the dupatta for this. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Every day we post new collections. So let us see the next design. The fabric is silk cotton fabric, all in festive colors. This is in Rani pink with green combination. And this is the yoke part with antique color sequence work and zari thread work done. And all these are zari woven buttas all over the top. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's a beautiful festive wear set. We have 4 different colors in this. So this is the rich yoke part. The fabric is silk cotton with all over small zari buttas, front as well as at the back. The fabric is thin, so lining is needed. In the video it might appear too bright, but it is Rani pink. The fabric has shine as well. We have matching cotton bottom in pink and a beautiful Banarasi woven dupatta in silk cotton fabric in antique zari color. A beautiful color combination. As you can see, Rani pink with green, a festive color. And all these sets are priced at $1299. So the weaving design will vary for each and every set. Kindly note. The color combination will be the same, but the weaving design might vary. We'll quickly take a look at the other color combinations. All in beautiful shades. So this is in navy blue with, and this is the heavy rich yoke part with zari and antique sequence work. Fabric is silk cotton. we have subtle orange. So we have navy blue cotton bottom, and this is the dupatta, Banarasi woven silk cotton dupatta. It's a party wear set, priced at 1299. Next we have in maroon shade, maroon with orange, and this is the dupatta for this. All these are zari woven on silk cotton dupatta. Next we have in bottle green with pink combination, matching cotton bottom, and this is the dupatta for this. So there may be color variation because it is difficult to get the exact color in the video due to the lighting effect. So please refer the picture posted in our website. Description is given in detail for each and every product. Next we are going to see dress materials in pure cotton, which is block printed, and all these are kantha stitched on the pure cotton fabric in navy blue color. It's a block printed one. The fabric will be very soft, skin friendly, apt for office wear. In premium cotton, all these are premium cotton. The fabric is not transparent, so lining is optional. We have block printed soft thin cotton bottom in light creamish color, and dupatta is also in mull cotton. It's a mull cotton fabric which is block printed, which has resham borders, and this print comes all over. We'll quickly take a look at the other colors. The cost of this set is 999, free shipping. We have 5 different colors in this. The next is in kind of brown shade, sand brown shade, block printed soft thin cotton bottom, and dupatta which has resham borders, which is also in mull cotton fabric. The block print design might vary, but the concept remains the same. All these sets are priced at 999, free shipping. Next color we have in pink in premium cotton, block printed cotton bottom, and mull cotton dupatta with block prints and resham borders. This is in dark olive green color. Block printed bottom and mull cotton dupatta. Next we have in sober maroon shade, so totally 5 colors in this. All these sets are priced at 999, free shipping. Next we are going to see dress materials in jacquard cotton. The fabric has self-design on it. It's a premium cotton which has original wax batik designed on it. It is in turquoise blue color, sober shade. Let us see how the complete set looks. The fabric will be very thin and soft fabric. It's a jacquard which has self-design all over. It is in sober turquoise. The fabric is thin, so lining is needed. It is teamed with reddish maroon soft cotton bottom, and we have mull cotton dupatta for this, which also has batik prints, and that is a jewel shaded dupatta. It's a full length dupatta, and tapings has to be done for the edges. It's a sober turquoise green with reddish maroon combination. This is a complete cotton, pure cotton set, priced at 1199. Totally we have 3 different color combinations. The next color is in navy blue with sober turquoise combination. Pure cotton bottom and dual shaded mull cotton dupatta. Next we have reddish maroon with navy blue combination. The as you can take a look, all these are jacquard. It is self-designed in the fabric with original wax batik designed on it. We have navy blue soft cotton bottom and dual shaded mull cotton dupatta which also has batik. Let us see the next design. The fabric is soft silk cotton fabric in sober purple shade which also has original wax batik designed on it. Let us see how the complete set looks. The fabric is very soft and silky fabric. It's with purple, sober purple with pink combination. Fabric is lightweight, silky, lining is needed, and this is the border in the daman. The same print comes at the back. We have onion pink, pure cotton bottom which also has wax batik design on it, and soft silk cotton dupatta. The fabric of the dupatta is very soft, dual shaded, which has wax batik dyed on it, and tapings has to be done for the edges. A beautiful color combination, sober purple with onion pink. The cost of the set is 1199. We have two colors in this, one in purple, the other one in brown shade. A very different combination. The fabric is very soft, lightweight and silky. Lining is needed. We have olive green, batik dyed bottom and soft silk cotton dupatta. It's a dual shaded dupatta. The complete set is priced at 1199. Next we are going to see a digital printed silk cotton fabric. The base color is dark beige with colorful prints on it, which has a simple yoke and wooden buttons. We have restocked this design again on customer's request, which has attractive prints all over. The fabric is lightweight, digital printed silk cotton fabric. Lining is needed. It is teamed with dark reddish peach cotton bottom and dupatta in reddish peach in chiffon fabric which has embossed foil work in floral pattern, and tapings are provided on all four sides. It's a single color and this is the dupatta. The cost of the set is 999 free shipping. Next design is in modal fabric. It's kind of peachish pink color, and this is the yoke part highlighted with gota lace work and fancy buttons. It has abstract prints on it in beautiful combination. The fabric will be very soft and flowy fabric in peachish pink color, and this is the yoke part. It's a simple yoke part with fancy buttons. The fabric is soft, not transparent, so lining is optional. We have dark beige cotton bottom, and this is the dupatta in viscose chiffon which has woven pattern all over. It's a dual shaded dupatta. And tapings are provided on all four sides. It's a single color. The cost of the set is 1149. The next color is in beautiful mehendi yellow in satin cotton, dark mehendi yellow, and this is the yoke part with wooden buttons and gota lace work. In the video it might appear too bright, so please refer the picture posted in our website. The top also have all over thread work and tiny sequence work highlighting the set. We have embroidery and sequence work done on the front side. It is plain at the back. The fabric is not transparent, so lining is optional. And we have gota lace work in the daman. It is in dark mehendi green with turquoise green combination, a different combination, and we have crinkled fancy silk cotton dupatta which has bandhani prints, and we have kind of shaded colors on it with tapings, fancy tapings, and this is the dupatta for this. It's a single color, a beautiful set. You can buy these products directly from a website neidhal.com from 12:30 p.m. today. Next is in satin cotton, and this is the yoke part with sequins and zari thread work done all over, which has attractive colorful leafy prints. The base color is aqua green color. The fabric is satin cotton. The fabric is not thin, so lining is optional. And this is the yoke part with attractive leafy prints all over. And this is the daman. We have simple gota lace work. The same print comes at the back. It is teamed with fenugreek yellow cotton bottom. It's light fenugreek yellow cotton bottom and dupatta in chiffon. It's a dual shaded dupatta which has all over embroidery, and tapings are provided on all four sides. It's a single color, beautiful dupatta, aqua blue with fenugreek yellow. The cost of the set is 1149. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day and stay safe.